Hello folks, Dave Schulke here with the Twin Home Experts. Today we're dealing with some toxic black mold as well as possible poria. I'm going to go ahead and show you what we're dealing with in this particular situation and some of the protocols that we like to take here at the Twin Home Experts when it comes to removing this type of fungi as well as mold. All right, here we dealing with fungi, possible poria, as well as black mold throughout. Some of these walls are wet. Come around this side. We've got high moisture levels. Some more black mold that the customer tried to wipe down. As you can see, it's just coming right back, as well as this area here. Again, possible poria coming through, but this is completely saturated. It's coming up to the shower pad. So what we're going to do is dry this structure down, build up containment, seal everything off, and see what we have underneath the substructure. Once we have everything opened up, then we're going to perform some leak detection to determine the source of all of this water saturation here into these walls. All right, the first step is building our containment. Setting up our air scrubbers here. How deteriorated the wood becomes with this type of fungus. It just eats at everything. All right, folks, so here we are. We've demoed quite a bit. As you can see here, I'm inside the shower stall. This wood is completely rotted out. What I've done is I've taken the shower pan out because we've noticed some of the fungi growing through the shower pan. Once we removed this, I went ahead and took my flashlight. You're going to see where possibly all of this poria started here. I'm going to go ahead and show you what that root looks like as it's coming through the ground into the structure. All right, so here I am. We're going to go ahead and take a look here, and you'll see right there, and you can see it going into the wood there. So we're going to go ahead and dig further, but this looks and appears to be the start of where this is growing in at. See it right there in that wood. All right, folks, well, here we are the next day. As you can see, we've set up dehumidifiers because this type of fungus, Poria, just does not like heat. This is a great way to extract all the excess moisture from the wood structure.